Hello and welcome to the Gourmet Show. I am your host, Gourmet, aka Queen Tea, with another Tea Party Mukbang. Yes, I have all my vittles with me again today. I have before I even get started on what we're going to be eating or what I'm going to be eating today, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay? Because I haven't seen another Tea Party mukbang out here, so I don't know if I'm the only one or I don't know. But I do want you guys to like, share, and subscribe to this channel because there's going to be a lot of good things over here for you guys to come and check out. So, today I have, hold on a second, let me put my little cloth on my legs because I don't want to be showing anything accidentally, you know what I'm saying? So let me make sure that I have something over these knees so won't nothing get exposed, because the girl gotta look like a lady at all times. And I do not want to mess this up. So, let me show you what I have today. What we're going to be drinking out of. Look at this beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, she is. Now, let me tell you who this is now. Okay, you see how beautiful? The white on the outside. And underneath here, let me make sure that she is looking real flossy for you. All right. Bam. Who is that? Somebody royal? Somebody from England? Nice. Yes. So I have the matching saucer. You see that? Mm-hmm. Same markings. And I want to make sure that you guys saw that. So I'm going to read it off to you. Oh, yes. I thought that was a part of the Ainsley collection. All right. So that is from England. It is the Ainsley Bone China. Ainsley Bone China. She is gorgeous. This is another tea set from my collection. She is so beautiful. Now, let's see here. I have absolutely screwed up because I was supposed to have my tea nice and hot. So I'm going to have to ask my trusty assistant again to come and assist me. Mr. Bryce, I need you, darling. I forgot to fire up the old teapot. If you could come and help me, that would be so greatly appreciated, darling. He's so sweet. Yeah, so I need the outlet. Oh, bless you, babe. Oh, honey. You good? All right. Bless. So, let me show you what I have here. Wow, the husband. We need the outlet, the double outlet, so that I can plug in keep all my lights and everything together there. I didn't get my dang on teapot together. How did I manage to miss the teapot, child? Oh my God. So let me adjust this camera just a little bit so you can see my vittles. Yes. Up here is my chicken salad sandwich on a pretzel bun. Here are my orange slices. Here is a biscotti dipped in chocolate. And then I have pecan pie. Let's see here. See how I can do this. I'm gonna just take that off of there so you can see her. put that back because I don't want to knock that over. Okay, so here we have pecan pie bites. Okay, look at those bites. Look at that. You see the crust, the filling, and then the pecan on top. And here you have a biscotti. Just a regular biscotti with the little nuts in it. Maybe not so regular if it has nuts in it. And what they did, they just dipped the other side in chocolate. Bam! There it is. So delicious. Oh, honey, you have me hooked up, babe?
Nope, I gotta get your plugs.
Oh, okay. So we just gotta wait on a little tea. But back to what I was saying, my biscotti is dipped in chocolate. Oh my God, that is gonna be so freaking good. Okay, I'm gonna put all my stuff over here so you can see it. There is my biscotti and my pecan pie right there. And then I have my orange slices. I love me some orange slices. I do. And this is the best way to eat them. Oh, they're so good. Okay, so I have my orange slices, my biscotti, and my pecan pie, bite size. And I have some more fruit. I cut up some strawberries. Yes, they were so good from yesterday. I was like, I'm gonna have these again. Okay. And my chicken salad sandwich. Yes. Made by me. Of course, I didn't do this bun, but honey, if somebody paid me enough, I would bake this pretzel bun. So I got all my goodies right here on the side that I'm gonna move over up front here, like so. And I'm hoping and praying that nothing falls off of here. Oh, shut up, girl. Ooh. Oh, girl, you did that. Oh, honey, yes. You did that? Show. I was like, oh, I gotta have everything set up before I start recording, because if I don't, I'm gonna waste something or I'm gonna forget something like I did. I sure did. Now I gotta have my husband run and go and get stuff for me. Thank God he's here, because I wouldn't want to just walk off and leave you guys just up here while I'm trying to get myself together. So there we go. All right, let's pull back a little bit so we can see these videos that I'm about to partake in. There's my teacup and saucer. Today, I have an orange stick. Yesterday, I had a lemon. Okay, wait till you see this tea that I have. Oh, my goodness. Some strawberries. See, look so good. I'll put them over here on the side. And then my sandwich. Put that right there. Like a soul, like a soul. Ooh, I'm in business. Let's hit that up. Oh, yes, it's working. Thank you, Hunty.
No problem.
Yes. See, that's what I'm talking about. Came right on in here and hooked the sister up. And listen at my tea. Right on. It's ready to go. All right, now, there we are. Voila. I love this little light, but sometimes it just gives me the blues. Okay, let me tighten it up on the side. I want it to fall in the middle of my shower. Okay, yes. All right, so Cover that up. Get my legs together. All right. Okay, so you hear that tea over there brewing? Yes. That is dried hibiscus flower. Okay? Dried hibiscus flower tea. All I did was put it in my electric tea kettle and some water, and that's it. Just let it steep. The more flowers that you put inside of the pot, the darker and richer it becomes. Okay? So it is warming up. Ooh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. I love me some tea. So while we sitting here waiting on that, wanted to let you guys know that I was in a car accident. Yeah. Me, my husband, and my sister, we were in a car accident. It wasn't recent. It was a little while ago, but it was real funny how this car accident happened. Did anybody get hurt in the car accident? Yeah, me. So, my sister is here from out of town. You know, my husband and I, we sent for her to come and watch our our pets for us, PJ and Queen, our two Bichon Frises. Some of y'all may not know what kind of dogs those are, but Google it. They gorgeous. So we were on our way to Cuba. That's right, Cuba. And this was about 3 years ago. On our way to Cuba, and we had postponed this trip for a couple of times, and I want to say at least 2 times. The first time, the couple that was going to go with us wasn't able to go, and then the second time, it was a freaking hurricane. So we were like, okay, deuces, we out. So this third time, we were like, and thank God for travel insurance, because without travel insurance, you can't do stuff like that. Once you buy the ticket, it's a wrap. You done bought the ticket, you didn't show up, that's on you. So it was really good that we had the travel insurance and everything, because we kept changing our days over and over and over. And so finally we were like, forget this, we out of here. So we sent for my sister to come up and watch the dogs for us, because anybody knows to put your dog into a pet hotel, it costs a lot of money, and for one dog, and I had two. Okay, so it was just much cheaper to just fly my sister on out here and just have her just stay here at our house for a week. So that's what we did. So my sister, she gets here, and it is the day. Oh my God, look at this. You see how beautiful and rich that color is? That was a handful of hibiscus flower. You can get this on Amazon. Oh, it smells so freaking yummy. So let's pour us up some. How rich and beautiful that is. So, oh, and I have my little everything nice with a little sugar and spice. Yes. So I have that. I'm gonna put that right there. So we're driving down the street. This is the day before we're scheduled to leave to go on our flight. I think the next morning we're supposed to be out of here like at 8 a.m. or something for our flight. So we're trying to get everything taken care of before we actually leave. So we're driving down the street. I'm on my way to pick up my contact lenses, because I want to be cute at the beach, honey. We're going to Cuba. Oh, I want to be looking good at the beach and in my drop top old whip and stuff because we're going to do some of the classic cars. We're going to be doing all of that, right? So I'm driving down the street. My sister, she's in the front. My husband, he's in the back. So we going north on Gratiot. And we're just talking about what we need her to do, the things that we're going to end up doing when we're over there. I mean, we just so excited to be getting the heck out of town for a full 7 days. So, is it me or my little lamp is falling down? Hold on now. You trying to get away from me? Okay, so anywho, I'm gonna just try to adjust that. Wow, I'm telling you. So anyway, so I'm driving down the street telling my sister what we need done and everything. So out of my left shoulder, out of the left lane, I see this white car just speeding towards me, and she's gaining speed as she's coming over into the third lane where we are in the car. So I'm like, this heifer about to hit us. And sure enough, she hit us. And when she hit us, she knocked me clean on into the parking lot. Yep, knocked me right on into the parking lot where I was not trying to go. But of course, she was. And this place that she was trying to get to was this burger joint. And we were thinking, okay, I know she see this vehicle over here in this lane next to her. She's got to see us. Nope. She didn't see us. Nope, not at all. Because when she hit me, she hit me on the passenger side, and she knocked me clean on into the restaurant parking lot. And when she hit me, she kept going straight on in to the parking lot, on up to the drive-thru. And my sister is like, wait a minute, hold on, she ain't stopped. So my sister, she jumped out of the car to go and catch her. And my sister like, hey, you just hit us. And she was like, yeah, I know. What y'all want? My insurance information or something? Wait a minute. You just hit us. We were just in a car accident. You mean to tell me you're not even going to stop to check on us, girl? Like, for real? Oh, okay. All right. So she did give us her insurance information, honey, after she placed her order at the restaurant. Turns out the restaurant is Rally's burger joint. And we were all sitting there going like, them burgers got to be pretty darn good. Because she done hit this car, kept right on going, placed her order, and then was like, oh, you need my insurance or something? Like we did something wrong to her. Yeah, I'm going to sip on that. Oh, my God. I was straight tripping. Now, when she hit me, I did, hurt myself a little bit, because my head went into the window, and I hurt my neck and shoulder and everything. But at the time, I was like, I done changed my itinerary for this trip twice already. This the third time. I am not about to do this again. No. So hurt or not, we're getting on that plane tomorrow. Okay? And that's what we did. Man, called the police 911 on my cell phone. Shoot, you think they came right away? Mm-mm. No, they did not. East Point? No, they did not. Shoot. Thank God I was in the Cadillac because all I did was hit the button and OnStar was like, we got a notification that you were in a car accident. I'm like, yeah. Everybody's okay? Uh, yeah. But no. But I'm getting the heck up out of here tomorrow, lady. Ambulance came, police came, all of that. And needless to say, I don't even think I got my contact lenses. I think I had to wear an old pair or something. But yeah, people are crazy. They are running to your SHIT and keep right on going like they didn't even see you. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. That is so freaking good. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, this tea is divine. Yes, it is. So let me just dive on in to some of this food. Want to start with these strawberries. Mm-mm-mm. They are sweet and a little tart. Mm. But yeah, so good. Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm gonna have to do a little mojo to it. Okay. And then we have my sandwich. Oh, the sandwich. Oh, it's calling my name. Anybody out there smell your food before you taste it? Even though you cooked it. Like child. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. My sandwich. It is so good. On the pretzel bun, it's too good. And it seems like the chicken salad, it tastes even gooder. I know that's not a word. It tastes even better the next day. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, it's so crazy, girl. Just hit my car, tow it up. And I had to drive home with that old raggedy piece of junk. Of course, I had to. No, no, I didn't drive home. I drove it straight on to the Cadillac dealership because I didn't want to leave my sister without a car. So I drove it straight on to the Cadillac dealership, and they put me in a loaner, of course. And the next day, we took on off to Cuba. Mm. And man, you talking about beautiful. Cuba is absolutely gorgeous. You hear me? If you ain't been, shoot, make that your bucket list. Those cars over there, man, them cars look like they just came off the showroom floor. It's unreal how brand new they look. Uh-oh. Hold on now. My little orange stick want to come with me. Mm. Oh, that tea is so good. And I left me the top of the orange so that I could just squeeze it right on in there. Even if you get just a little of the zest in there too, that's fine. Oh yes. Hold on. I have a little something put in my tea. I ain't gonna tell you what it is, because it ain't your business. What's in this cup? Long as I told you what's in this cup. Hibiscus flower. Dried hibiscus flower. I fell in love with the hibiscus flower when we went to Jamaica. They had hibiscus flower everywhere over there. Oh, that's tasting real good now. Ooh, child. Ooh, oh shoot. Got me grabbing my pearls. Oh Lord have mercy. It's like got hot in here. Ooh. Ooh. Child. Ooh, that heat came over me like, just like that. Whew. Had to knock that on off. But yes, that tea is spot on. Okay, these oranges, Sam's Club oranges, they are always sweet. Always. Okay. While I'm on here, because I didn't do last night, I want to give a big shout out to my husband, George Bryce. He is always there when I need him. Always. He play like he ain't gonna do something for me, but he do it anyway. And I love that about him. Always supportive. You saw how he went and got my teapot together. I always want to see his wife looking good. And I love him for that. I want to give a big shout out to you guys, my teapots and tea kettles. Okay? Want to give you guys all this love and hugs and kisses to you, because without you, I'm just over here by myself. Okay? Of course, I don't think that'll happen. But anywho, I'm glad you're here. And you took out some time to come over here and hang out with me. So, what's the least I can do? Come over here. Oh my God. Spill a little tea. Sip a little. Oh, the tea is about me though. But that was crazy how girlfriends just almost ran us over. Well, she did run us over. She could have killed us. And all she cared about was her sandwich. Her burger. From Rally's. Now, y'all know them big Bufors ain't that good. No, at least I hope not. Because I ain't never seen nothing like that before, y'all. Can y'all imagine calling the insurance company going like, yeah, I want to make a claim. Oh, what's going on? There was in a car accident. Lady hit my car. When she hit my car, she knocked me into the restaurant parking lot. And she kept right on going and placed the order. Excuse me? Yeah, that's what happened. Like I said, people are crazy. All right, so let's try one of these pecan pies. Look at it. Ooh, that looks good too. Mm. See? That's why I have this scarf on my lap. Because things like that. Mm. I just fall in your lap. Oh, this tea is so good. All right. So, pour me up a little bit more. I don't want to be on here too long. I just want to come on here and give you a little story time. Share another tea cup and saucer with you guys. Share another story with you guys. Or share another story with my teapots and tea kettles, okay? Sure. Because that's what y'all. Mm-hmm. Ooh. These are so good. Where did I find these at? I bought these from somewhere. I cannot think. But when I do, I'll make sure I put a link on this video. Oh my God. This tea is so freaking delicious. And I put a little something special in it too. Cha. Ooh, it is so nice. Oh, yes. Ooh. Ooh. Delicious. So, I've had my sip of tea. I've told you a little bit about my car accident that nearly killed us. Lord have mercy. Ooh. Nearly killed us. But by the grace of God, I am here to share the story with you guys. So, until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, honey. Let me know what you think about your girl. Until next time, I am GourMay. See you later, teapots and tea kettles.